Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add comments to your Excel file created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and start creating your Excel file. Then go to your home page by tapping on this home button on the left side of the screen. Go to the right side. At the top you can find this comments button, so tap on it and then click on the new button on the right side and start a conversation by typing in your comment into this bar. Tap on the send button below and then it will be sent. As you can see, tap on the more button if you would like to edit your comment, resolve thread or delete thread. You can also reply to it if you want to, so it will appear at this section. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.